Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to paint a flower with watercolor, step by step. This is an extra video to go along with the floral composition I painted earlier. Here, we'll focus on painting a single flower. If you haven't seen the previous tutorial yet, you'll find the link below. What will you need? Watercolor paper, 2 brushes, one fine and one medium, and a color palette. Before we start, I recommend choosing a main color for the petals, an accent color for the center, and green for the leaves. If you're using warm colors for the flower, make sure your green is warm too. Let's begin. We'll start by mixing the main color. Add plenty of water, and begin with the center of the flower, then add each petal one by one, filling them in while the previous ones are still wet. Once all the petals are done, drop a little clean water into the center of each. This will create a nice transition from light to dark. Now, add a bit more of the base or a darker color to the edges of the petals. Take a dry brush and gently lift any extra water. Then softly blend the darker tone toward the middle but not all the way in. Once the flower is dry, we'll move on to the stem and the leaves. Use the finer brush for this part. And if painting the stem directly feels tricky, sketch it with a pencil first. Paint the leaves one at a time. And while the paint is still wet, add darker tones to the tips for depth. After everything dries, we'll add the center of the flower. Start by filling it in with one flat color, and let it dry. For petal details, I use some shimmering paint, but if you don't have that, just go with a darker shade of your base color. The key to fine lines? Lots of water, and a fine brush. Don't overdo the lines, keep them uneven and light. To finish, add a darker tone to one edge of the flower's center. This will make it look more three-dimensional. And that's it, your flower is ready. If you'd like to learn how to paint a different flower or even a bee, check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.